Hello, my friends. Welcome to another English video. I am so happy you are here today. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. This is a great place to learn English in a fun and easy way. Today, we will learn English together. We will use a simple and powerful method. It is called listen and repeat. What does that mean? Let me explain. First, I read a short story. You listen carefully. Then you repeat after me. Try to copy how I speak. You can listen to my words. You can hear my voice. You can follow my tone and rhythm. Then you say the words too. It is okay if you do not say it perfectly the first time. You will get better with practice. Why do we use this method? Because it works. It helps you improve your English speaking. It helps you with your pronunciation. It helps you understand English sounds. It also helps you build confidence. When you repeat, you speak more. When you speak more, you learn more. It is a simple way to become better at English. Many people ask me, can I really learn English by listening and repeating? Yes, you can. Many students did this. They started with small steps. Now they speak better English. You can do it too. What do you need to do this practice? You need a quiet place. You need your voice. You need your ears. You do not need books. You do not need hard grammar. You just need to listen and speak. That's all. Let me ask you something. Do you like stories? I do. I love short stories. They help us learn in a fun way. Stories are not just words. They are full of life, feeling, and action. So today, we will use a story to learn. Before we start, here are some simple steps to follow. First, listen to me. I will read slowly and clearly. Then, look at the words on the screen. They will help you follow. After that, repeat each sentence. Try to say it just like me. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Mistakes help us grow. You can pause the video. You can go back and repeat again. You can ask, what does this word mean? That is a good question. Always ask. You can write the words down. You can read them later too. Let's make a goal together. We will learn 5 new words today. We will speak 10 full sentences. We will listen, repeat, and smile. This is how we grow. Are you ready? I believe in you. You can do it. Let's learn together. Let's enjoy this time. English is not hard. It is a fun journey. There are many ways to learn, but today, let's try this one. Listen and repeat. Let's begin. Today's story is about Kleena. She is a student. She lives in a small town with her parents. She goes to school every day, but today is different. She will travel alone to the city. She wants to visit her cousin. It is her first time on a big bus. She feels excited and a little afraid. Kleena woke up early this morning. She brushed her teeth, ate breakfast, and packed her bag. What did she take? She put a bottle of water, a small snack, a notebook, and her phone in her bag. Her mother said, "Be careful." Her father said, "Call us when you arrive." Kleena smiled and said, "I will." She walked to the bus stop. The sun was warm. Birds sang in the trees. There were many people at the stop. Some looked tired, some talked, some checked their phones. Kleena waited quietly. Where is the bus? When will it come? After a few minutes, the bus arrived. It was big, blue, and loud. The door opened. The driver smiled. Kleena showed her ticket. The driver said, "Good morning." Kleena said, "Good morning," and smiled. She looked for her seat. It was number 12 by the window. She sat down and looked outside. She saw cars, trees, and shops. She took out her notebook and drew pictures. Then a man came. He looked at Kleena and said, "Excuse me, this is my seat." Kleena was confused. She checked her ticket. It said 21, not 12. She was in the wrong seat. "Oh, I'm sorry," she said. "No problem," said the man. Kleena stood up and walked to seat 21. It was near the back, next to the aisle. She sat down and felt a little embarrassed. During the trip, Kleena looked around. There were children, old people, and students on the bus. Some read books, some listened to music, some talked. The bus stopped many times. Kleena watched people get on and off. She saw a woman with a baby, a man with a big box, and a girl with a guitar. She looked at her watch. How many minutes left, she thought. I might be there soon. After 2 hours, the bus entered the city. There were tall buildings, bright signs, and many cars. Kleena looked out the window. She felt amazed. "This city is so big," she said. The bus stopped. The driver said, "This is the last stop." Kleena got off. She saw her cousin waiting. They hugged and smiled. "You did it," her cousin said. Kleena laughed. "Yes, I did. I took the bus alone." Kleena felt proud. She learned something new. She can travel. She can be brave. She can learn from her mistakes. This was a big day for her. Let's take time now to practice and talk about what we learned. First, we will repeat some important phrases from the story. Then, we will talk about how you can use these phrases. After that, I will share some tips to help you learn better every day. Useful phrases. Repeat after me. Excuse me, this is my seat. Let me check my ticket. I'm sorry, it's okay. Good morning. Where's the bus? How many minutes left? I might be there soon. Great job. Let's read them again slowly. You can repeat them one more time. Now let's talk about these phrases. When do you use them? You can use them at the airport, on a bus, on a train, or when you travel. You can also use them in other places like school or the store. These are polite and helpful phrases. For example, if someone is in your seat, say, "Excuse me, this is my seat." If you are not sure about something, say, "Let me check." If you make a mistake, say, "I'm sorry." If someone says sorry to you, say, "It's okay." More practice. Questions for you. What did Kleena do when she made a mistake? Did she get angry? What should you do when you are in the wrong seat? Where can you hear these phrases in real life? You can pause the video and answer, or you can write your answers in a notebook. This helps you remember better. Message to you. Let's talk about learning. Learning English is a journey. You do not need to rush. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to try. Every time you listen, repeat, and speak, you grow. Did you make a mistake today? That's okay. Mistakes are your friends. They help you learn. Do not be afraid. Be brave, like Kleena. She did not stop. She said, I can do it. And she did it. You should ask yourself, what did I learn today? What words are new for me? When can I use these words? Let's make a plan. You can repeat this story tomorrow. You can write the new words. You can say the phrases aloud. You can even teach them to a friend. Let's review. Listen to English. Repeat the words. Say them out loud. Ask questions. Try again every day. You will get better. You will feel stronger. You will speak more English. I believe in you. Thank you for learning with me. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Share it with someone and please subscribe to the channel. You are doing a great job. Let's keep going. There will be more stories, more phrases, and more fun. So, let's meet again in the next video. Stay happy, stay curious, and keep speaking English.